Hello, hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn in this video how to use the logical function in SQL Server 2022, and in that we'll understand the command if and the choose command. So let's get started. Now here is the content in this video: the logical test with the function, and the conditional test with the if command, and the selecting item from the list with the choose command. Now, here is a logical test with the function command. So that command is called is numeric test whether the input expression is the valid numeric data type or not, or return one when is the input evaluates if any valid numeric type including the float and the money. Return 0 otherwise, uh, if it is like if you are checking in that table or the column you have a numeric value or not, so you can write the syntax is in numeric or not. Now here is the result is a 0, or you can use the column the select employee id is a numeric or not, then it will print value. If it is a any numeric value inside the employee id column, then it will print yes, means 1. If not, then it will say 0. Now here is the condition test with the if command. So if one or two value depending on a logical test, sorted for a two outcome case expression, and this is like a can be if statement, the boolean expression, logical test evaluated to the true, false, or the unknown. The true value is the value written with the ex, expression evaluates to true. False value returned to the expression evaluate false or unknown. Now here is the syntax how you can use it. So select employee ID if and experience. If it is a experience greater than 3, then it will be expert. If then no expert. And the similar way you can put it the value for the like with the the employee ID or with the salary or the day working or any, it's based on your the condition. I am giving here just an example. Now, here is the choose value. So choose return it from the list of specific by the index value, and the index value is a integer or represent position in the list, and the value list of the value of the data to be returned. And now here is a select the table and then choose your column name, and then whatever value you want to choose it, so it will pick up from that column and it will print the value. So guys, let's move it to the practical session, and then I can show you how to use these commands. Okay, so I am in my the lab, and here we can test the first scenario. It will give the confirmation whether it is a numeric or not. So let's write the command here. Select, I have a table called employee personal. Let's execute this. So I have this data employee ID, home, employee ID, technology, and the experience. Let's rename it to EMP and write it down here. Let's take a data for EMP dot employee ID, and then I'm going to check under the home or whether it's a numeric value or not. So let's write the is numeric. Oh, sorry, is numeric, and now here provide your the table name. Table name is emp dot home, and then over here just click or mention as just numeric numeric or not. Let's execute this data now. So all these data are not the numeric. Let's give a try with the employee ID, whether we have any value numeric under the employee ID, emp employee ID, and let's execute this. So now you can see in it, oh sorry, it's email ID it's mentioned. Let me write the emp ID. Oops. emp id. Let's execute now. So here you seen is the employee id is in numeric value, so it's print the numeric. This command will help you to find out the data in the column if there is any numeric value exist or not. So that's how you can use it. Now, on the next command is for if command, IIF if command, and let's write the sentence here. So let me remove all these things. And what I'm going to do it, let's take a if example. Okay, so let's see first thing is a star, and I have the data for the experience. I'm going to use the experience column to use my the if command. So let's type it here, emp dot employee id and then the experience. So here the command is IIF and choose the operator here, emp dot the experience should be greater than 3. Then I can write it down this and then this. So let me just fill this data expert, or I can name it not expert. So let's see what the data outcome here. Okay, so the column name has not decided. As you can provide the table name whatever you want to check the knowledge skill set. So now here you see it, this data is coming not expert, not expert, expert, expert. If you want to see it something more in depth, employee dot, let's say I can just copy paste this, and now here is this. Let's take it. So you can see in the value is 2, 3 and 1 is not expert, but this is experience is a 5 years, 4 years is a expert. So that's how you can use the if command. If the value is matched, then it will print this part, if not this part. So you can define here as well. Now the next scenario is for the choose. So how you can choose the data. Suppose I have this data as like let me remove this part and let me put it the star over here. Let's see. So I have the data is like employee ID and India and this and this. So now what I'm going to choose here, I'm going to choose only the value is related to India. So let's make it a scenario. Employee ID emp dot employee ID comma and choose bracket start, and what the value I'm going to give here, that is like a column name. It's a emp dot and I can say it's a home, and what the value I need it from here comma, and let's put the value, it's what I need. So I need the value from India. Okay, so the choose value will not work with this. Uh, okay, let uh, United States is the conversing when the value is the United States is the data type int. Okay, so let me do one thing. Employee dot let's take a experience, and whichever the value is matching like a 2 years or with the 3 years, and let's give it try with that. So now you seen it here, the value is here, the output value is chosen only 2 or 3, rest of the things it will print as a null. So that's how you can use the choose command. So guys, thank you for watching this video. See you soon in my next video with the some of the SQL logic, and I will be coming soon with my new tutorial. So thank you.